Hello, this is Adrian Dean, Fitness for Life and Health teacher for Graduation Alliance. Today we're going to kind of go over lesson 3.2 and activity 3.2.1 for Fitness for Life first semester. Let's dive right in. We are talking about right here body composition. All right, let's do this. Let's do present, and here we go. A little PowerPoint. Body composition. And what is body composition? Body composition is portion of fat and fat-free mass in your body. What does that mean? Well, it is basically breaks down fat and then everything else into a percentage. And then we're going to get a little bit more into that here in a minute. Healthy body composition, and right here is one that includes a lower percentage of body fat and a higher percentage of fat-free mass. So that means low fat, lower fat, and a higher percentage of everything else, which includes, this is everything else, muscle, bones, and organs. Body composition is measured to assess your health and fitness level. So this is my resource where I got this information. Let's get a little bit more in depth. On the right here you have a female, on the left you have a male, and this is what we're going to consider healthy body composition. And this is where I got this information from, Diabetes Prevention Institute. So for muscle tissue, women 36%, men a little bit higher, 45%. So if you take these two numbers, and this is going to be kind of your target range for healthy body composition fat, percentage of fat. So for men, it's right around 3 plus 12 is 15%. And for women, 15 plus 12 is going to be 27%. So quite a bit of a difference there. And these are going to be relatively the same. So this is when we talk about measuring body composition, they typically better measure body fat. And that's going to be these two numbers here. 15% for men and 27% for women. Women are going to be higher because why? Because they have evolved to give birth, and so they need a little bit more fats for giving birth and having kids and things like that. So there's your reason. How do we do this? How are we going to measure body composition? Well, we have a couple different ways. Number one, skin calipers. A lot of times it's going to be a personal trainer. Sometimes we'll use this method. They take a couple measurements here and there, the arm, there's a side like this one, in the front. They take a couple measurements, they plug it into a calculation, gives the percentage of body fat. Most common way right here, you can get this on Amazon, you can get probably some things on Walmart real similar, bioelectric impedance. So you kind of hold on to that. They have also ones that you stand on like a regular scale. It sends a little electric signal. You cannot feel it through your body. I really don't know exactly how it works other than the little electric signal goes through your body and gives you this number. They are fairly accurate. More scientific way that you're not going to find hardly anywhere but other than a university is this hydrostatic way. As you see the guys underwater, and that's going to give you, because fat floats and everything else sinks, kind of gives you a number there. And this one is supposed to be the most accurate, but once again, very hard to do to get this equipment and things like that. So those are the three main ways that you're going to measure body composition. But once again, this is the one you're going to see most here. All right, how do you change your body composition? We've talked about this in class. So big three, healthy eating. Well, what does that mean? Well, we've got to stay away from sweets. Got to stay away from some of the fast foods and pops, things like that. Anything sugary, all right? We want to eat some healthy carbs, complex carbs, a good combination of those along with the proteins and healthy fats. Number two, exercise. You got to build this into your week, build this into your daily routine somehow. Get some movement into your day. All right, and then I always put number three down there, kind of put them together. These are the big three: sleep and stress management. All right, get a good night's sleep. What are you doing to manage your stress? Are you doing any kind of meditation? Exercise is a good way to manage stress. Deep breathing, things like that, yoga, a lot of different ways, but make sure you're doing something to manage your stress, because the hormones that stress creates can also create more fat, things like that, and also can trigger unhealthy eating. So that is going to be what I have for you today. So hopefully this is going to help you a little bit more deeper understanding on body composition. As always, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, shoot me a chat message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Thank you. And